Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to generate PDF in native languages. So firstly, I have created a form in the Arabic language, and to generate the PDF in Arabic, you should select the settings, and then in the response PDF, keep this option enabled, and then select the language as Arabic. Since I want my PDF to be generated in Arabic, you can select any of these languages that are presently available, and then type the mail ID where you want the PDF to be sent and save. And now we'll try it out. So I'm filling out the details here. I'm clicking submit. Now we'll go and check the mail. So this is the mail, and I have received the PDF in my mail. So when I open the PDF, we can see that the responses are in the native languages itself. Thank you.